Ever found yourself staring at a dead screen, unable to power on your phone because that pesky power button decided to quit on you? Don't worry, we've all been there, but there are surprisingly simple ways to bring your device back to life without touching that broken button. First up, let's talk about the magic of charging. Simply plug your phone into a charger and leave it connected for a few minutes. For many devices, this initial surge of power is enough to trigger an automatic startup. If that doesn't immediately bring it to life, try this while plugged in. Press and hold the volume down button. Keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds. See that? Often, this combination will force your phone into recovery mode or even start it up directly. If your volume down button also seems a bit temperamental, you can try the same trick with the volume up button while plugged in. For users with newer phones, especially those with USB-C ports that support display output, there's another clever method. Connect your phone to an external display using a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Once connected, your phone's screen should mirror onto the monitor. Now, if your phone is off, you might need to tap the screen or connect a Bluetooth mouse to navigate. If you can get to your phone settings, look for accessibility options. Within accessibility settings, some phones have an option to wake the screen when you connect a charger or a notification arrives. Enabling this can be a lifesaver for bypassing a broken power button in the future. And finally, if your phone has a cracked screen but the digitizer still works, or if you can get it on via the charging trick, you can often navigate to settings and enable features like tap to wake or raise to wake. This allows you to turn your screen on by double tapping it or simply lifting your phone, essentially eliminating the need for the physical power button. With these tricks, you can get your phone back up and running, even with a faulty power button.